everyone. It is an honor to be your MC for this momentous occasion. As we
De Leon Jace Averity. Best in English, Best in Mathematics, Inner Beaver Awardee with high honors. Jaden G. Batang Magalang Awardee with honors. Now we have an important announcement from Sir Mark. Sir Mark, please come forward and share your announcement with us.
So once again po, good morning po and congratulations to all students and parents po na narito po sa ating po paaralan. Here are some important dates po that you have to remember, particularly po on May 31, 2024. On May 31, 2024 po will be the distribution of their report cards po. Just please, though they don't have wala po silang they don't have the clearance for preschool level, but please be advised to settle their outstanding balances for them or para po makuha niyo po ang kanilang report card before May 31. In addition po, we will conduct grading challenge on May 20, starting on May 28. Then we will have its orientation on May 25. For those parents or guardians who are interested to enroll their kids or relatives in the upcoming challenge, just please inquire lang po kayo or lapit lang po kayo kay Ma'am Ruby. And to enrollees naman po na our enrollment will start on our official opening of our enrollment for school year 2024-2025 will start on May 31 din po. Then for the requirements for new students and for old students po, just kindly visit the registrar's office. Nakapaskil naman po dun sa may window kung ano po yung ating admission requirements. Then, for grade 1, for books po ng grade 1 and grade 3, available na po ito starting on May 31 po. So, that's all the announcements po. Thank you po.
thank you, Sir Mark, for your announcement. We appreciate the valuable information you have shared.
Ng edukasyon sa modular, sa online at face-to-face setup. May mga pagkakataong naramdaman ng ilan na sobrang hirap matapos ang kanilang mga gawain, ngunit matagumpay pa rin nila itong natapos at naipasa. Ipinapakita lamang nito ang tiyaga at pagpupunyagi sa ating mga mag-aaral, lalo na ng mga batang narito ngayon. Ipagpatuloy niyo lamang ang inyong magandang nasimulan at sikaping pagbutihin ang sarili sa sunod na taong panuruan. Hangad ko at ng aking mga kapwa-guro ang inyong tagumpay, lalo na sa mga susunod pang yugto ng inyong pag-abot sa inyong mga pangarap. Binabati ko kayong lahat, maging ang inyong mga magulang. Congratulations! Muli, magandang araw sa inyong lahat.
Tingin din. Tapos na ang graduation, recognition. Jaden, hello. Hello na. Hi. Kakain na kami sa Jollibee. Oh, Jollibee nga kakain tayo sa Jollibee. Oh, wait mo lang, kakain tayo sa Jollibee. Kain tayo, sabihin natin, tayo lang, budget. Ano? Oh, Jollibee. Asa money? Bag ko. Mama, padala ka naman. Oh, piggy bank daw. May money daw sa piggy bank. May money tayo sa piggy bank. Muna natin yung money lang sa piggy bank.
Okay.
Isa-isang oras lang talaga. At least maganda yung ganun. Hawak ka. Sandal. Medal mo. Lagyan natin na sa bag. Cute naman, may award ka pa. Pinakamaraming award si Aba. Opo. At least meron magalang award. Panay opo siguro nito. Tinanong ko si Pinko eh. Sabi ko, lagay siya mo sa Pinko. June pa daw eh. Parang June 15. Oo, kasi na-adjust ng araw yung yung school year. Yung school year ay na-adjust na raw, kaya konti nga lang daw ang magiging bakasyon ng mga bata, sabi. Kasi gustong ibalik sa normal dahil patulad ng dati.